Today, I'm going to show you how to make the handmade assault rifle from Fallout 4's DLC Nuka world. Here are the tools and materials you will need for this build. Alright, so before I continue on with this video, I have to have a gun safety talk. There's been a lot of gun violence going on lately, and I'd hate to see anybody get hurt. So listen, if you're going to travel to a filming site with this gun, put it in a bag and make sure to put a sign up when you get to the site saying filming in progress, and make sure it's clear as daylight. Or if you're going to a cosplay convention with it, spray paint an orange tip, like a bright orange tip on the end of this gun so people don't think it's a real firearm. Yes, it looks fake, but people can mistake it for a real gun. Alright? Okay, now that we've had the gun safety talk, let's continue on with the video. First, take some of the knowledge that I showed you for the survivalist rifle and apply it to this rifle. Instead of taking the whole barrel of the gun off, you're only be taking a small chunk of it off and replacing it with 2 copper pipes to make it look like there's a barrel inside the gun. Next, take a shovel of any kind that you prefer and cut off the handle part and use that for the butt of the rifle. I should also mention this rifle can depend on what you want to go for. I'm trying to go for somewhere in the middle of where it's a well upgraded rifle, but at the same time it still maintains its Fallout-esque to it. Next, cut some EVA foam and detail it with a Dremel tool. You can go all out on this. After you're done building the banana mag, excuse me. After you're done building the banana mag, you can then move on to spray painting the gun. I wouldn't recommend spray painting the clip because wear and tear will destroy it. I mean, it'll get covered up from the gun, but I didn't bother with it. I was going to spray paint the butt of the rifle, the handle, and the stock brown, but I decided to paint it red and black to give it a anarchist kind of look, which I'm a lot more happier about. I spray painted the gun with a base coat of black and then did a brushing of silver to it to make it look like it's starting to get really worn out. If you want to, you can add rust to the gun. I feel like it would make it look more like it's been through a battle. After that, we are done. I hope you enjoyed the finished project. If you enjoyed this video, please like, and if you enjoy what you're seeing on this channel, subscribe. That's all for now. Talk to you guys later. Bye.